Okay, so we just to reiterate in our step-by-step Android app tutorial, we've done this. We've got the recycler tab layout, we've made it in the XML, and we created tab adapter. I just realized we've forgotten to set the tabs with the adapter values. So before we mess on the tab adapter, let's just set it up. So we're going to set the tabs with the values from the tab adapter, and luckily we've already made the tab adapter in the last video. Set up with adapter, and we called it, what do we call it? We call it tab adapter. And we haven't made, I think, or have we? Yes, we have. We've already made the view pager stuff, so yes, that works. Alright, let's go to TabAdapter, and just to reiterate, we did take it from Nishimura's page, which I'll be including in the YouTube video description. So we have it here, and we've taken out some stuff. Let me look if... Oh yeah, now I remember what I have to do. We have to do this part, so we've done this. We have to remove this. We have to make the modifications to the page adapter. We need to make two new methods, the get page title and the get item. So this will one, get the index of the information class, and this will get to the name of the item from this one. So the tabs will have the name of the pager on it. Alright, so let's do that, but first I'm going to address this part. It's saying, okay, so this is inflating this tab. Alright, so we haven't actually made the layout for the tab yet. So I will do that later. First I'm going to go to pager adapter and do what I do then. There's so much to do. How are we going to get through all of it? Okay, so oh yeah, here I did. Now I remember where we are. I have to make a get item method. So let me think. Okay, so how should I do this? Let me look at my notes here. What did I do? Huh. Did I get a get item? I don't remember. I know I have to get a page. Okay, I'm gonna do this because so the one I remember from when I have my notes right now. Probably have to do this later. The other one, the get item method, later. Something's not right here. Why is it unhappy? I don't know. Ah yes, alright, great. Let's just get the make get item first, because that's what I have. Okay, so it's going to extend from the information class, and it's called, is it get item? Yes, it's get item all lowercase. Get item with the underscore thing beneath it. It's going to take as a parameter the position, and that's just going to be like an index. And we're going to return the array items, and we're just going to get the position. Easy. It seems not like this. Oh yeah, because we don't need it. Duh. Alright, so now the same thing, we're going to get... Do I need to get... Yeah, I need this. I think I already made another class for this. Alright. So this will be the get page title method, and it's just going to return the name. I don't even think we need the get item. We might need that one. So array item, whoops. So get, and what do we want to get? We want to get the index, so the position, and we want to get the name. This should be good. Let's see what this. Okay. What is this error message? Get title clashes with the page adapter. Because I need to make it public. Right. There we are. So, alright, so that one's, now it's happy. Alright, great. And now to address this one more red thing. I've realized we haven't actually made the tab yet. And that's problematic, so let's make a tab. Just tab, an XML file. And what do we want? We want to have, I think just want a text box. That's all we want. Let's see, what kind of text box do we want? Just plain text view. It's fine. Okay, so text view, you want to make an ID for it. Let's call it title. Oh, wait, it already comes with the default title, I see. I'm just gonna move this to the top. I like my IDs at the top. I don't know why it's by default at the bottom. Layout, width, height, and text. Let's have a new text. It's not needed. It's just so we can see it on the renderer here. New text, probably too small. What else do we need? I think this will be good. Just as a default, it won't be pretty, but it'll work. So we call the tab, so we'll just do that. Let's see. It looks like we've done everything on our to-do list. So here's our moment of truth. We're going to actually run the emulator. And this will be a while, so I'm going to stop the video here, and I will start again when this fully loads. Okay, so I'm here with the app, and I finally run it. Let's check out what happens. Alright, so you can see the tabs, and they work. If you click on each thing, it takes you to the, you know, the actual page. I need to make this data a little better than generic hope 1, 2, 3, etc. Because everything's a little squished together, so now we're almost done. We just need to work on some UI stuff. So let's try to make things not so squished. Maybe make the text a little bigger. So let's do Android. Let's make some layout margin left. Layout margin left. Start. Let's just put 5 pixels. Yeah, I'm gonna put 5 pixels. What's going on? Oh, I also, yeah. Now I remember, you have to put both margin start and margin left for some reasons. I think it's probably a good reason. So that should make it a little better. I want to make text a little larger too, but we'll fix that in the next iteration. Let's check what happens. I'm going to check this log file. I don't like it's having servo errors. I'm going to only have the errors pop up. There we are. Yeah, so now there's like a little space in between these things. Alright, now let's see what else. It looks like I'm going to have the max lines only be 1 because I'm going to make the text a little bigger. And I don't want it to be going all over the place. So Android text, is there size? Yeah, text size, large, is that I don't know what text size is. I don't know. I'm going to cheat. I'm going to put a large text box right here, yeah. See what happens. Oh yeah, here we go. That's what we want. I'm just going to copy paste that in. Alright, now let's run that. I read these. Error messages in the meantime. Looks like it's started. Alright. Oh man, those are huge words. Okay, I'm appearance medium. Is that a thing? Medium. Let's make the margins a little bigger. Let's make them 10 pixels. Might be too much. And do I want it? What happens? Can I? Yeah, I can also modify the text. So I want to make the background. Alright, so now let's see what it looks like. I want to make the background color something. Yeah, this is good. Yeah, it's fine. And look, it like hops around. That's good. This works fine. So now I'm gonna make the backgrounds. I'm gonna in the content level. I'm gonna make the background a color. Background is equal to. Oh, it's already there. And this is how. How do we make? Do we have default values? How do we make colors? I think there's a default attributes because I know there are primary colors. We can use like the blue one, which is this sort of generic blue that comes by default with the with the app. I know if there's like a space in the pager. I don't like that either. So I'm going to go to content while we're here. Oh, this tab is huge. That's why. How tall do we make it? 50? I don't, it's too tall. Maybe 40. We'll be that. We'll get that in next one. Yeah, there you go. Ooh, it's black. I don't like that font. So, alright, so I'm going to run it again, make it the shorter tabs, and I'm going to change the tab so it's white. So, Android text color. Do I have a color? I don't know if I have a color. This is hard. Yeah, we have. Right, so we have our colors, our primary, which is like a blue, dark blue, and then accents is pink. I want white because it's super dark. Can I just do a hex code? I think there are 5 Fs for white. How many? We just for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So yeah, it might be 5 Fs for white. So what does it look like? Oh crap! I didn't wait for it to load fully before I start messing with it. Yeah, so we're mostly done with the app. I think we are pretty much done. The only things we have to do now are just, we have our tabs working and we have all our data in. So now, yeah, this looks good. So now the only thing we have to do is actually populate the thing with like more items and maybe and maybe actually put the color bits in there, and then actually also do the same thing for all the others because you notice the others don't have the tabs. Alright, so it looks like we're mostly done. So I'm going to finish up. I'm going to repeat the same thing with all the other tabs or the other sections, and then I think we are done and ready to put it out on the store. It's not the prettiest, it's a little more bare bones than my original one, but I completed my goal. I kind of understand what the classes are. Alright, so I will, off camera, I will populate the list with other things. I'll add the tabs to the other sections, and then I think we will be done.